Ganda talaga ng hacienda ko, guys.
Itong nakikita niyo to, akin to.
Hey guys, so we are now here at the Secret Garden. Grabe ang peaceful talaga dito. Ako nag-video dito. This is such a cute pathway. This heads to the here in your breath. There's another swing. Oh, pero dito rin sa pabot. Parang kung daan ko gusto. Ano, kailangan yung swingan natin lahat ng area. Ganito nila. Yung kulang na graba sa bahay, pwedeng kuhanin dito. Ulo! Alang cute! Ay, akala ko wala yun. Secret Garden is now not a secret. Alam mo yung ganda talaga dito. Magandang pagmuni-munihan, pag ikaw'y may nararamdaman. A nice day. We had a nice day. We are now exiting the secret garden. That is not a secret anymore. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal na ng trend na yun. Ngayon ko lang nagawa. Dito tayo.
Hi guys, welcome to Camp John Hay. We're here at the...
We're here at
we just came out from the secret garden, so we're
going to tell the secret to
Yeah.
everybody.
I'm going to tell the truth that it's not a secret anymore.
Ano yun? Ang baho.
Buti hindi na ito block, no?
Restroom is free, guys. No bayad na if nakapasok ka na sa loob.
Wish kuya kanina, no?
Is it true? At least preserve nila.
Oo, pag...
Mga friend!
Wala yung isip ko. Pero you know, this is Baguio when it's a normal day. It's so peaceful.
Grabe ka, parang sinabi mong no peaceful.
Yeah.
Not so peaceful. Hindi no peace at all. Akala ko no stepping at all.
Hindi na bang...
Ganito sana yung mga walks palagi. Nature. Ganyan.
Away from the trees.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan yung daan. Oh, there's a budu-budu. You're so gorgeous. You didn't tell me? You told me. So guys, today is such a nice day. Walking will really tap those hormones. Hormones! Ano nang tawag? Endorphins. O dolphin. The happy hormones of the body is happy today. Is happy today?
No. It's called money. That's what makes a person or a missus happy.
Wala pa nga akong pera eh.
Watching.
Faithful.
You always watch our...
Saan ang daan?
Yan,
Dito?
kalsada.
Dito tayo sa kanal.
Alam mo naman. May kalsadang yung luwag.
Eh, syempre, that's for the cars. And then the canal is for us. Oh, cutie! Wow, this is such a nice... Aww.
Saan ang way?
Wow! Baguio. Ang ganda mo, be.
Para ka naman taga Baguio.
Ang ganda ng puno to. So big.
So rin din yan sa paraangan ko. Mas pagkapatay tayo, isabit tayo.
Hindi tayo na yung fertilizer.
Isabit na tayo.
Nagbago na siya. Time nandito kami sa 7-Eleven na to, lagi sila nagre-restock. Sa akin lang? Or ubos mo na yung water mo?
You know, Nature Spring.
Is it this Nature Spring? This is to. Ito na. Oh, exiting Camp John Hay. People. Ang komportable niya pala. Yung skirt niya. Ang cute niya. First time ko matatry ito. Ang komportable niya pala. That one. Ayan. Size 37. 38 nga lang ang pa ako. Pero ganyan. Parang bali. Pero parang labot na labot na. Tapos na pawi. Ang babae na to. Mas bagay. Ay, sino kayo dyan? Decision ko sa binili kong ito. Pero kasi pag itong flat, it makes me small. It cuts my height. So, hopefully this works. Yun lang, bye.